Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. Next, we have the x. That means we need to find first the derivative of b with respect to y. So we have y to the power of 3 and y squared in here. So we got about 3y squared minus 2y sine x. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. We have dy, so we need to find first the derivative of q with respect to x. So we have x and cosine x in here. So first the derivative of x, we have number 1, so we have 3y squared. First the derivative of cosine x, we have negative sine x, so we have negative 2y sine x. And we see that this one is same with this one, so they are exact. Now we need to set up about the function fxy. So fxy equals to the integration, so I will choose about this one. Next, the integration of y to the power of 3 with the x, we have x y to the power of 3. The integration of negative sine x, we have positive y squared cosine x. The next one, that is about x squared over 2. Next, we need to do first the derivative of the function of f with respect to y. So this one we have y to the power of 3, so we have 3y squared x. The next one, that's about 2y. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. And we know that this one is same with this one. Now we need to simplify 3y squared x plus 2y cosine x for the both sides. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of e to the power of y, we have 7e to the power of y, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equals to 7e to the power of y. So I will put this one go in here. And we know that this one equals to fxy. Fxy equals to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.